Hi everyone. Here I will discuss another 10 important MCQs of research aptitude. So this video will be beneficial for all the UGC NET aspirants, set and SLET aspirants and in the PhD and MPhil entrance test. So this is about me myself Suraj, and I have done MCOM under Guwahati University, and I have cleared UGC NET examination 2 times. So the first question is, the qualitative research is usually, here option is given, deductive in nature, inductive in nature, deductive or inductive in nature, and none of the above. See, inductive approaches are generally associated with the qualitative research, and deductive approaches are associated with the quantitative research. So our correct answer will be option B, inductive in nature. The qualitative research is uh, usually inductive in nature. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. So the next question is, which of the following types of research is associated with the theory generating? So inductive research is associated with the theory generating. So option B, option A will be the correct answer. Inductive research. So the next question is, an NGO conducted a study in Gaon Panchayat to see the impacts of campaign approaches on enrollment and retention of rural elementary school children. This is an example of where option is given: descriptive study, field experiment, ex post facto research, historical research. So our question is, an NGO conducted a study in a Gaon Panchayat to see the impacts of campaign approaches on enrollment and retention of rural elementary school children. This is an example of field experiment. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. So the next question is, research study that takes place over a long period of the time. The research study that takes place over a long period of the time is called longitudinal research. So see, the option is given: cross-sectional research, longitudinal research, research methodology, none of the above. See, a cross-sectional study is a type of observational research that analyzes the data of variables collected at one given point in times across the sample populations or predefined subset. And longitudinal research is a type of the correlational research that involves looking at variables over an extended period of the time, for a long period of the time. So our correct answer will be option B, longitudinal research. Okay, so the next question is, defining hypothesis is a useful way of approaching research. Here option is given: it will impress the reader, it allows the development of testable propositions, it allows the development of indisputable proof to be established in research finding, and it looks suitably scientific. So defining hypothesis is a useful way of approaching research. It allows the development of testable propositions. So option B will be the correct answer. So the next question is, the government of India conducts census after every 10 years. The method of research is used in the process of, here option is given, case study, developmental, survey research, experimental research. So our correct answer will be survey research. The government of India conducts census after 10 every years. The method of research is used in the process of survey. So what is case study research? Case study is a research method involving an up close, in-depth research or detailed examinations of a particular case. Okay, an experimental method is a systematic and scientific approaches to research in which the researcher manipulates one or more variables and control and measure any change in other variables. That means experimental research tests the uh, cause and effect of the two variables. Okay, so our correct answer will be option C, survey. Next question is, a nine-year-old is taller than 7-year-old ones. It is an example of, where option is given, vertical studies, cross-sectional studies, experimental studies, case studies. See, cross-sectional research is a study in which subjects of different ages are compared at the same time. Cross-sectional research is a study in which the subject of different ages are compared at the same times. It is often used in developmental psychology, but also utilized in many other areas, including the social sciences, education, and other branches of sciences. So our correct answer will be option B, cross-sectional studies, because cross-sectional research is a study in which subjects of different ages are compared at the same time. So our correct answer will be option B. See, the next question is, the main difference between basic research and applied research lies in, here option is given, basic process, sample size, utility, all of the above. So see, Basic research, also called the pure research or fundamental research, has the scientific research aim to improve the scientific theories for improved understanding or prediction of natural or other phenomena. But the applied research is done to solve specific practical questions facing the society. So our correct answer will be option C, utility. The main difference between the basic research and applied research lies in utility. So the next question is, which type of method can be used in order to create a real world laboratory? Their option is given: correlational coefficients, field experiments, case study, random assignment. So our question is, which type of method can be used in order to create a real world laboratory? So our correct answer will be field experiments. Option B will be the correct answer. So the next question or last question is, in research study to learn the impact of the internet surfing on exam performance. Okay, impact of the internet surfing on exam performance. So there are two variables. Okay, it was found that the number of hours spent on the internet surfing increases. It was found that the number of hours spent on the internet surfing increases, the exam performance decreases or deteriorates. Okay, the study is an example of what? The study is an example of correlational studies, correlational research. Okay, see, increases of one variables deals with the decreases of another variables. So correlational research is the relationship of the two variables. So here increases of one variables deals with the decreases of another variable. So our correct answer will be option B, correlational research. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.